This is a new item that I have received. Let us open and see. You know, I don't know. You already have read the title. At this moment, I don't know what is inside it. So you're ahead of me. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, there is a packaging and some fillers. Let me just remove this. Okay, I removed it. Now let's see what is inside. Is there anything else? Oh, more packaging. So it goes inside there. I'll put it apart. What is this? It is written Hyperion. Oh, it's a Baader. Baader Planetarium Hyperion 8-24mm Universal Zoom Mark 4. Oh, that's the Mark 4 one. Let's open and see. This is best zoom we can get. Okay, let's see what is here. Baader Hyperion Mark 4. That's the latest zoom from the Baader Planetarium. Okay, let's see what is written here. Projection photography also can be used, and specifications. Baader Planetarium Hyperion registered trademark 8-24mm universal zoom Mark IV, that's 4, with click stop action, 2" and 1 1/4 nose piece included. So, and these are the things you can do. You can use it with the spotoscope or telescopes. In the case here shown with the SCT. Also, you can use it directly on the camera. So rubber eye guards, foldable eye guards, and other things. Okay, let's see what is inside and open. Oh, let me see what is inside written. Soft pouch with belt strap, foldable eye cup, winged rubber eye cup, large adjustable eye cup, M43 photo video thread, 138 thread, B adapter for telescopes, nose piece 1 1/4, that's 1 and 1.3/8 thread, thread for Hyperion Barlow, 2" SC Schmidt-Cassegrain thread, A adapter for spotoscope, nose piece 2", and all the threads and everything. Okay, let's see what is inside. Ooh, look at this. What are included here? What we can find here. Okay, one eye guard, one cap, another cap, a winged eye guard, and here we have a pouch that is typical of the Baader, really nice gesture. And this is the eyepiece itself. Oh, it's quite large. Look at it. It's very huge. It's massive. So there is one cap here which I remove now. There is another cap here which I remove now. And there is another cap on this side which I remove. I have to remove the sleeve, 2" sleeve. Okay, this is the 2" sleeve. I remove it. This is the 1 1/4 lens cap side. You can see through the lens. Let's turn it over. Oh, beautiful lens. It's a little bit dirty, but I have to. You can bring it up and down, and you can change the. You feel a gentle click lock. You can hear it. Yeah, that's the one. And nice. I just take a few photos of it. Let's look through it to some. Okay, let's look through it. Nice. Clear view. And this is now at the. Let's see at what. Now at 24. I change it now to 8. This is the Baader Hyperion Universal Zoom 8.24mm Mark IV eyepiece. Let's go and see how it looks, the view through the eyepiece. This is the 24mm focal length of the Baader Hyperion Mark IV eyepiece. The image quality is excellent. And it's so easy to hold the camera because there is no blackout or anything. Now let me go to another setting. Now we are looking at the 8mm setup. The focus is a little bit inside, so you have to, it's not parafocal, you have to change the focus a little bit, slightly, not much, it's easy to do it. But the image quality is excellent, superb. I think anybody who wants to do binoviewing, this is really good for binoviewing. Get 2 of these and just do binoviewing with it. Clear. Now I've changed the focus to 16mm, and as you can see, it's really excellent. The view is really nice. It replaces many of your eyepieces actually. This is daylight observation, and I think I'm really impressed with the quality. And that was the view through the Baader Hyperion Zoom Mark IV 8-24mm eyepiece. The telescope is my trusted and lovely ED80 Skywatcher ED80 Pro Series Gold version, and it's they call it semi-oppo, but I think this is oppo practically. And yeah, nice, excellent views. What you were seeing were these tiny fruits on this tree. And if I go back, zoom back again, you will see how tiny they are. Yeah, it's around 15, 20, 10 meter, 12 meter away. I'm really impressed. This is good, and the good thing about this eyepiece is that 2 of these eyepieces, if you put them side by side, they will not be bigger than this. That is the fitting for most of the people's face, and the distance between their eyes, and you can easily have your nose or bridge of your nose here somewhere, so it will not bother you at all. At the same time, you can just seamlessly change the zoom from 8 to 24 and have the observation with the binoviewer like that. Field of view is excellent. I really like the field of view of this. I have to study what's the field of view, but anyway. 68 degrees 34mm eyepiece. Okay, now I have modified my Mead ETX 125 to accept. So I think I will use the max vision with this. It goes better. There's a better result. It looks heavier.